What is going on, guys? And today I am bringing you an unboxing of the new Tropical Rain GFUEL flavor. So it's right here. As you can see, it says GFUEL. And we're just gonna open this up. I already broke the tape open, so we should just be able to pop this open. Alright, so inside here we have Tropical Rain. I got a tub, and then it came with a free 3-pack. I only see there's only 2 in here. There's 1, there's 2. Well, let's see what else is in the box here. Got a little GFUEL packet, a scuff discount code, receipt. We got a pretty cool GFUEL sticker, and just a little packet. Okay, that's cool. I'm gonna put all of that stuff back in the box. So here it is. We have the Tropical Rain flavor, and then I guess only 2 packets of green apple. So that was it for this unboxing. Nothing too big of a deal. I just wanted to, promote GFUEL a little bit, and make sure you like, comment, and subscribe, and I will see you guys in the next video. Peace.